that was fun. This is just a lot of little leftovers from the last few pours I've been doing, with a bit added here and there. And my base coat was phthalo blue, quite thin, but because I've used my pouring medium with silicone added, I will now go looking for cells, of course, but I've now pretty much used up the paint that I had made up a few days ago, the base colours, which, well, should I say the main colours that I had used. And so now it's just a case of bringing out those cells and that lacing. Oh, it's gorgeous, just beautiful through the copper. Loving this. And that's it for just the experimenting with the travelling type pour in the silicone cups. So I will bring this up in a moment for you to get a close-up look, and then I can look at doing some other types of pours, although I may not upload this video for a while, so I may already have finished doing a lot of those pours that I'm talking about. Okay, I'll bring it up. Basically my pour this time was with phthalo blue down as a circle on a piece of signboard, and then onto that I did several small ring type pours, trying to see what sort of patterns I could make, and of course trying to look to see if I could do some sort of a planet type thing, which I know can be done, but I think I'm better off doing without there being the silicone, or in this case I should call it its correct term, dimethicone, in the paint. And I'm really pleased with that. That is very, very pretty again. Beautiful turquoise, the pink is lovely and vibrant with the copper, and of course the phthalo blue will most likely dry dark to black, so that's really going to make it show up. And that's it for me for this video. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.